How to fix YouTube videos suddenly getting dark on Android. So if your YouTube videos suddenly look dark once you play one, it's usually caused by display conflicts like a dark mode theme, HDR playback, or adaptive brightness bugs. So not really the video itself. So first you can try by switching the video app theme to light mode. Go over here to your settings, go to general, appearance, and just use the light theme. So it's gonna go into the light theme if that's what you're trying to change. Other than that, you can go ahead to your mobile device, keep the settings here as so, like using the device theme, and then go to your settings, go to your display and brightness, and then you can choose your light mode. It's gonna automatically set your YouTube to a light mode as well. You can also go ahead and make sure your automatic brightness is toggled off so that you can manually switch whichever brightness percentage you'd like. So make sure your force dark mode in your phone settings are turned off, something similar to the automatic brightness. So HDR videos can also appear too dark if your device fails to boost brightness properly. So try lowering your video quality or disabling HDR related display features from the video itself. Other than that, you can do basic YouTube app troubleshooting. You can go over to your settings again, go ahead to your apps, and then what you're gonna do is just search for your YouTube app. You go ahead and scroll down to find it manually, or you could just search for it as well. In our case, it's going to be over here. What you can do is force stop your YouTube over here in the bottom left. Go ahead and press on OK, and then reopen the YouTube app again. You can also clear its cache here in the bottom right corner, and just press on clear cache. And also make sure your app is on the latest version, as glitches can cause a dark overlay bug. But anyways, those are a few options you have if your YouTube video suddenly gets dark on Android. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.